The Hermetic principles, attributed to the teachings of Hermes Trismegistus, offer profound insights into the workings of the cosmos and the human psyche. The first principle is mentalism, which asserts that the universe is a mental creation. It teaches us that all is mind and the entire universe is a mental construct. Welcome to a journey into the mystical world of the Hermetic principles, where we explore the profound wisdom of the universe and how it impacts our lives. Here, we will delve into the first Hermetic principle of mentalism, which instructs upon the law of cause and effect, and thus manifestation. Hermes taught the all is mind, the universe is mental. But what does this mean for our daily lives? How can understanding this principle help us manifest our desires and shape our reality? To comprehend the power of mentalism, we must first acknowledge the profound connection between our thoughts and our reality. As the Hermetic principle suggests, everything begins in the mind. Thoughts are the cause of all things. Consider this: every invention, every great work of art, and every significant change in the world started as a mere thought. Thoughts are the seeds of creation, the cause that sets the universe in motion. So how can we harness the power of our thoughts to manifest our desires? The answer lies in imagination and creative thought. Imagination is the gateway to creation. It's where we visualize our dreams, set our intentions, and cultivate the energy needed to make them a reality. Meditation is a powerful tool to tap into your inner world. It allows you to quiet the noise of the external world and access the limitless potential within your mind. When you meditate, you align yourself with the principle of mentalism, recognizing that your mind is a microcosm of the universal mind. Mindfulness is another key practice. By being present in the moment and aware of your thoughts, you can consciously choose which ideas to nurture and which to let go. Setting clear intentions is essential. When you define your desires with precision, you provide your mind with a clear blueprint to follow. It's like programming the universe with your thoughts. Countless individuals throughout history have harnessed the power of mentalism to create extraordinary lives. From inventors to artists, leaders to visionaries, they understood that thoughts are the cause and their achievements are the effects. However, it's important to note that thoughts alone are not enough. They are the cause, but action is the bridge to manifestation. When you combine inspired thoughts with purposeful actions, you propel yourself toward your desired outcome. This is where the law of cause and effect plays an essential role. It is the universal principle that ensures that every cause has a corresponding effect. When you set your intentions and take action, the universe responds by delivering the results. The law of cause and effect reinforces the idea that your thoughts and actions are the causes, and the manifestations of your desires are the effects. Just as you sow seeds in fertile soil, your thoughts planted in the fertile ground of your mind will grow into your reality. In conclusion, the first Hermetic principle of mentalism teaches us that our thoughts are the cause of all things. By embracing this principle, you can use your imagination and creative thought to manifest your desires. And the law of cause and effect ensures that your actions will lead to corresponding results. Remember, the all is mind, and the universe is mental. It's in your power to create the life you envision. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the profound wisdom of the Hermetic principles. Stay tuned for more insights into the laws that govern our universe and shape our lives.